Hello everybody, welcome to Unit Intro about me. The objectives for this unit are how to introduce and talk about yourself, ask and give personal information, fill in a form, and say what you can do. The learning activities, the resources. Okay, first place we're going to practice the numbers. They are very easy. You know the numbers from 1 to 10. All of you know it, okay? 0, we have 0 here. You can pronounce this number 0 or O. There is something special in the numbers. From 13 to 19, you see that they have something special? Teen, yes. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. This is very easy. Now, from the numbers 20 and so on, they have something special too. You see? 20 or 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 51, 54, 67, 72, 96, and so on. It's very easy. 100, 200, 300, 400, and so on. 1,000, 3,000, and so on. It's very easy. Now we're going to continue with the personal information. Basic information. The greetings like hi, hello, hey, what's new, good morning, good afternoon. Name. My name is Judy Perez. Age. I am 30 years old. What do you do? Work or study? I study at Autónoma University. Place of birth. I was born in Bogotá. What do you like to do? I like to read. I like watching TV. Examples. Hey, hello, hi, what's up, what's new, how is everything going? My name is Judy Perez. My first name is Judy. My last name is Perez. I am 35 years old. I study technology at Autónoma University. I am from Bogotá. I like to read, swim, and dance. Now let's practice. Who am I? What's your name? My name is George Brown. My name is Clara Vargas. Where are you from? I am from Cartagena. I am from Manizales. How old are you? I'm 26 years old. I'm 26 years old. Where do you live? I live in Manizales. I live in Chinchiná. I live in Cartago. What is your telephone number or your cell phone number? My cell phone number is 321-600-3421. Can you spell your last name, please? Okay. My last name is B-R-O-W-N, Brown. Now keep on practice and see you the next unit.